Good morning students, welcome to English class. Beta, yesterday we have completed the lesson The Magic Room. Beta, do you like the story The Magic Room? Yes, it is an interesting story. So today we will do the exercises and word meaning of that lesson. So beta, let's start. Word meaning. First word is strange and the meaning of strange is curious. Second one is difficult and the meaning of difficult is tough. T-O-U-G-H, tough. Third one is color and the meaning of color is hues. H-U-E-S. Fourth one is delicious and the meaning of delicious is tasty. Suddenly. Fifth one is suddenly and the meaning of suddenly at once, ekdam. And the sixth one is paused and the meaning of paused is stopped. So that is the word meaning of the magic room. Now we will start the exercises of the magic room. First exercise is D4 exercise. Answer these questions briefly. You have to write this answer. Okay, the first one is where had Poppy's parent gone? Yes, beta, do you remember where had Poppy's parent gone? Do you remember? Yes, Poppy's parent had gone on world tour. Poppy's parent कहाँ गए थे? World tour पे. And the second one is why didn't Poppy accompany her parents? बेटा why didn't Poppy accompany her parents? वो अपने parents के साथ क्यों नहीं गई? Yes, Poppy didn't accompany her parents because she was too young to go on a world tour. बेटा she was little girl ना, छोटी थी ना, so she didn't accompany her parents. Now the third one is when Poppy went into the magic room, what did she see on the walls? But yes, beta, tell me, what did she see on the walls? Do you remember? What did she see on the walls in the magic room? She saw the walls of the room were decorated with sparkly silver and gold stars and moon. And the fourth one is what was strange about the sofa? Yes, beta, do you remember? What was strange about the sofa? Yes, the sofa was hanging in the air and moved around on the ceiling. Fifth one is what happened when Poppy switched on the light, beta? Yes, beta, tell me what happened when Poppy switched on the light? When Poppy switched on the light, the room was filled with smoke. धुएं से भर गया, smoke, धुआं. And the sixth one is how did the boy prove that he was the genie of the lamp? Yes, beta, tell me how did the boy prove that he was the genie of the lamp? Yes, the boy muttered a spell and made Poppy fly in the air. Spell means mantar, mutter budbudana. तो boy ने मंत्र बुदबुदाए and made Poppy fly in the air. Now the next question is what did Poppy tell the genie about herself? Beta, do you remember what did Poppy tell the genie? Yes, Poppy told Genie that she was lonely and she didn't have any friends. Now the last question is how was Poppy's wish fulfilled? Do you remember how was Poppy's wish fulfilled? Yes, Poppy's wish was fulfilled when she was given a cute little puppy by her aunt. Okay, beta, so that was the question answer of the magic room. Now we will do the exercise D5. That is the following sentences tell Poppy's story, but they are given in a jumbled order. Number them in their proper order. Beta, these sentences are given in the jumbled order and you have to number them in their proper order. Okay, firstly I will read all the sentences, then we will give the number. Okay, first is the genie disappeared without saying anything. Second one is Poppy enjoyed the food. Third one is it was a strange room with some furniture hanging in the air near the ceiling. Now after a while, Aunt Bella brought a cute little puppy for her. Poppy was alone in the house and was feeling bored. Now next, Poppy felt happy to get a playmate. And the next one, Poppy sat on a chair. Delicious food appeared in front of her. And the next, she went to a room on the upper floor. Now next, Poppy told the genie that she was feeling lonely. And the last is Poppy went to the room to thank the genie, but there was nobody inside. So beta, that is the sentences. Now we have to number them. First one, first, yes beta, what will be in the first sentence? Yes, Poppy was alone in the house and was feeling bored. So you have to write in the one number. Okay, now the second. Yes beta, tell me what will be in the second. Yes, she went to a room on the upper floor. Now the third one is, it was a strange room. Do you know na? It was a strange room with some furniture hanging in the air near the ceiling. Now what will be in the fourth sentence? Yes, when Poppy sat on a chair, delicious food appeared in front of her. After that, fifth one is, Poppy enjoyed the food. And the sixth, Poppy told the genie that she was feeling lonely. Now, what happened? In the second sentence, seventh sentence, the genie disappeared without saying anything. And the eighth one is, after a while, Aunt Bella brought a cute little puppy for her. Puppy लाए थे ना? Now the ninth one is, Poppy felt happy to get a playmate. And the last sentence, Poppy went to the room to thank the genie, but there was nobody inside. So beta, that was the sequence of the sentences and you have to write on the boxes. Now the D6 exercise. They draw lines to match the given words with their meaning. You have to match with their meanings. First one is mysterious. So what is the meaning of mysterious beta? Tell me, what is the meaning of mysterious? Yes, something strange that we don't understand. Something strange we don't understand. Second one is expensive. हम कहते हैं ना बेटा ये एक्सपेंसिव साड़ी है एक्सपेंसिव. So what is the meaning of expensive? Yes, costing a lot of money. Okay. Third one is ordinary. And the meaning of ordinary. Yes beta, tell me meaning of the ordinary. About which there is nothing special. जब कुछ special नहीं है, ordinary है, normal. Now the fourth one is pause. Yes, pause means to stop for a short time. You have to stop for a short time. And the last, patiently. And the meaning of patiently, remaining very cool. Okay. So that is the D6 exercise. Now we will start the D7. In D7, filling the blanks with the above words. So words are the आपने paper matching की थी and you have to fill in this blanks. Now first one is, her looks were dash but she had a very sweet voice. Yes, voice sweet but looks ordinary beta, nothing special. Her looks were ordinary but she had a very sweet voice. Now the second one, we dash waited for the doctor. Yes, very cool. Okay. Yes, we patiently waited for the doctor. Now the third one, we heard some dash noise coming from inside the house. Inside the house से क्या? Mysterious, something strange voices. Now the fourth one is, my mother is not fond of wearing dash jewelries. Jewelries, expensive jewelry. And the last one is, did he dash before answering the question? Did he pause before answering the question? So that is the fill-ups. Now we will do the eighth one exercise. That is some words given below are spelled incorrectly. And correct them spellings and write all the words again. Okay beta? First one is immediately, and the spelling of the immediately is IMMEDIATELY. Immediately beta, you have to write and learn these spellings. Okay beta, write and learn. Now the second one is delicious, and the spelling of delicious is correct, DELICIOUS, delicious. Now the third one is floated, 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 that spelling is also correct. Now the fourth one is lonely, LOANLY, and the spelling of the lonely, LONELY, lonely. Okay beta. Now the next, ceiling, and the spelling of the ceiling is CEILING, ceiling. Okay beta. Now the next word is fulfill, and the correct spelling is fulfill, Fulfil, Fulfil. Now the seventh one is heavenly, and the correct spelling of the heavenly, 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 heavenly. And the friend, Friend, friend. Now the next spelling is Mysterious, mysterious, Mysterious. And the last word is bored, Bored. So correct these spellings and write all the words again. Okay beta, and learn it. Now the D10 exercise. Imagine that you are Poppy. In a few sentences, describe your experience in the magic room. Let us suppose you are a puppy. Now, what do you feel about that? What did you feel with the magic room? Okay, now you start. When I opened the door, I was surprised to see the scene inside. The walls of the rooms were decorated with sparkly silver, gold stars, and moons. The sofa was hanging in the air. I was served tasty food items when I sat on a chair. When I switched on the lamp, a genie appeared. He made me float in the air. Really, it was a different and amazing experience to be in that room. So, beta, that was the exercise of the magic room. So, you have to write this exercise and learn it. Thank you.